All right, the murder of a prominent Metro Detroit jeweler shocked the community, and now the plot appears to be unraveling.
Dan Hutchinson, known as Hutch, had a long client list that included celebrities. He was shot in Oak Park back in June.
And today, the alleged mastermind, Hutch's own attorney, sat before a judge accused of ordering his murder.
7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig breaks down the stunning new allegations.
He is a flight risk.
That assistant prosecuting attorney is talking about 38-year-old Marco Bispicus. He's accused of being the mastermind behind the murder of one of his clients, well-known jeweler Daniel Hutchinson. In early June, Hutchinson was shot to death in his car. His wife, who was sitting next to him, survived, but prosecutors say she too was a target.
There's a conspiracy to commit murder on his own client, Mr. Dan Hutchinson, and Mr. Hutchinson's wife, Marissa.
Action News has learned that investigators believe the motive for murder was money, accusing Bispicus of putting himself as the beneficiary in the Hutchinsons' will without their knowledge. But in court today, defense attorney James Thomas said if there's any evidence that links his client to the murder, he hasn't seen it.
He has a good reputation. He has not ever been charged. He's not ever had any disciplinary proceedings that I'm aware of. He lives at home with his wife and his children.
And the attorney was taken into custody early this morning when police stormed his house here.
We do have proof of guilt, which is evident, and a presumption of his guilt is also great.
Bispicus is now charged with premeditated murder, felony firearms, and conspiracy to commit murder. Prosecutors say he was directly involved in this setup.
He gave extensive description of the victim's car, the color, where it's going to be, how he wanted it done.
No one at Bispicus's home wanted to comment, and no one had anything to say where he works at All Law in Southfield. People who work nearby tell us federal agents were here this morning. All Law's website lists Marco Bispicus as a managing partner, but this afternoon the judge decided he should remain in jail, at least for now.
The court is concerned with the safety of the community and is concerned that a tether is not sufficient to guarantee his appearance. Therefore, bond is denied.
In Oak Park, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
All right, thank you much, Kim.